200 litre working capacity stainless steel ribbon blender, pneumatic discharge, 650 millimeters discharge height when on mobile wheels. Controller includes timer, so set timer and walk away, on off automatic discharge button, emergency stop, safety interlock, gas strut supports for lid, bag or sack rest for easy pouring of powder products, easy takeaway of grid for cleaning, and inner and outer counter-angled ribbons for fast, efficient mixing. 4 kilowatt high power, high torque motor, 200 litre stainless steel working capacity powder blender.